Hello guys, Jared Applegate back. It has been a while. Sorry, it's a little windy out. Really windy out today, but got this this Murray lawn mower. It's a little bit it's a little old, but I call this thing old rusty. It says rust right here, and got a little thing to stick onto it. Yeah, I made that. Stick it on right there. Yeah, and I gotta have to. I'm gonna check the oil to show y'all what the oil looks like. Hold on, focus. Wait. Yeah, that's dark. See that? See that, folks? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do oil change. The oil change when I can. Yeah, it does not run because it does have no gasoline, and also it needs new oil, which it only takes a little bit of oil, like a quart. And also, if I open the gas cap, stick my finger all the way down in there, bone dry. That thing needs some gas. Yeah, and also it might need a new spark plug. And I'll show y'all underneath. So yeah, and let me flip it over real quick. Oops. Oh. That's the underside of it. It's a little old, a little rusty underneath there. But a little bit of work and some elbow grease, I might get this thing running again. See it? It ain't locked. It run. It's not locked or seized or whatever you call it. Let me flip back over. And oh, I think I found a problem here, guys. I think it leaks oil. Right here. Found the problem. Leaks oil. Yep, that is oil. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. You get a new rubber thing for it. Yep. Gonna have to get a new primer for it. A new rubber piece for it. Okay, this thing will definitely not work because it needs a new primer. So it needs a new primer, definitely. So I'm probably gonna have to use some tape or something to fix the primer on this. So yeah. Well, I am gonna see about try to get this running. So yeah. This needs to be connected to here. Well, yeah. And let's see. It does pull whatsoever. Wait, let me show you. So it is the next day. I tried to get the lawnmower working. It leaked gas and it wouldn't start. We tried another one. It starts, but the choke is not working. So this was a total failure, and I am sorry for wasting your time, guys. So yeah, I am sorry. So I guess this video is called Jared's Lawnmower Disaster Fiasco, so yeah. See y'all in the next one. Peace out. Have a great day.